Come to our exploration of the modern business environment. Over the past 2 decades, businesses have experienced rapid and dynamic changes, reshaping how organizations operate and compete. Today's managers face the challenge of understanding this ever-evolving landscape to craft effective strategy. In this video, we'll break down the key elements that define the modern business environment, including the shift from a seller's market to a buyer's market, the importance of quality management. The most significant shift in the modern business environment is the transition from a seller's market to a buyer's market. In the past, suppliers dictated price, quality, and performance. Today, customers hold the power, demanding better quality, faster response time, and competitive prices. This change is driven by globalization, technological advances, and increased competition. Businesses now must focus on satisfying customer needs, adapting quickly to market trends, and leveraging data. Today's business environment is characterized by several defining features. Globalization has opened up markets, leading to fierce competition not just locally but internationally. There's an abundance of production capacity, making it easier for customers to find alternatives. New managerial methods and the accessibility of data have transformed decision-making. Additionally, the ease of global travel and transportation has made supply chains more complex yet more efficient. These factors. Technology has become a cornerstone of the modern business environment. From advanced manufacturing processes to sophisticated data analytics, technology enables businesses to operate more efficiently and respond swiftly to market changes. Information systems support decision-making, while automation and digital tools streamline operations. Companies that leverage technology effectively can gain a significant competitive advantage, whether through cost leadership, differentiation, or enhance. Dive into the concept of cost of quality (COQ), a critical aspect of modern business management. COQ refers to the total cost associated with ensuring products or services meet quality standards, as well as the costs incurred when they don't. This includes prevention and appraisal costs, plus the cost of internal and external failures. Understanding and managing these costs is essential for continuous improvement and long-term profitability. By focusing on quality, there are several perspectives on the relationship between quality and cost. Some believe that higher quality inevitably leads to higher costs, as better materials and processes require more investment. Others, like Deeming, argue that investing in quality actually saves money in the long run by reducing rework, scrap, and customer complaints. A third view, aligned with total quality management, considers not just direct costs, but also hidden costs such as lost customers and missed. Cost of quality is typically divided into two main categories: the price of conformance and the price of non-conformance. The price of conformance includes prevention and appraisal costs, expenses incurred to avoid defects and ensure quality. The price of non-conformance covers internal and external failure costs, expenses resulting from defects found before or after delivery to customers. This framework, often called the PAF model, helps organizations identify where to focus. Prevention costs are incurred to stop defects from occurring in the first place. These include investments in quality engineering, staff training, quality planning, audits, and supplier evaluation. By focusing on prevention, companies aim to minimize the need for costly corrections later in the process. Examples range from designing robust processes to educating suppliers and maintaining equipment. Prevention is often the most cost-effective way to ensure high quality and reduce overall costs. Appraisal costs are associated with measuring and monitoring activity to ensure products and services meet quality standards. These costs include field testing, inspecting materials, packaging inspection, and certification. The goal is to detect defects before products reach customers, minimizing the risk of external failure. While appraisal costs are necessary, excessive reliance on inspection can be less effective than investing in prevention. Balancing appraisal and prevention is key. Internal failure costs arise when defects are found before products or services reach the customer. These costs include scrap, rework, downtime, and redesign efforts. Detecting and correcting issues internally is less damaging than external failures, but still represents wasted resources and lost productivity. Reducing internal failures through better processes and prevention can lead to significant cost saving and improved operational efficiency. External failure costs occur when defects are discovered by customers after delivery. These costs can be substantial, including product recall, warranty claim, lost sale, and damage to reputation. Customer dissatisfaction can lead to lost market share and long-term financial harm. By minimizing external failures through robust quality management, companies can protect their brand and maintain customer loyalty. Calculating the cost of quality can be approached in several ways. Some organizations measure it in terms of effort, such as hours or days spent on quality activity. Others convert these efforts into monetary values for a clear financial picture. The most effective method is to express COQ as a percentage of total cost, allowing for easy comparison across projects or companies. For objectivity, it's best if someone outside the core project team, like an accounts department member. Let's look at a practical example. Lavwell Limited, a manufacturer of LED lamps, faced a power petition rejection rate, costing the company significantly. By improving their inspection process, they aimed to reduce the rejection rate to teen petition. The cost of implementing this change was outweighed by the savings from fewer rejected units, resulting in a net daily benefit. This case illustrates how investing in quality improvements can lead to tangible financial gains and highlight. Finding the optimal level of quality investment is a balancing act. Increased spending on prevention and appraisal typically reduces failure costs, but striving for zero defects can become economically unfeasible. The goal is to identify the point where the combined costs of conformance and non-conformance are minimized. This optimal point ensures high quality without excessive spending, supporting both profitability and customer satisfaction. K Limited considered implementing a new quality control system which would increase prevention and appraisal costs but reduce failure costs. Financially, the new system resulted in a slight net increase in total quality costs. However, from a non-financial perspective, the benefits included improved customer satisfaction, enhanced reputation, and potential for increased sales. This scenario demonstrates that quality investments should be evaluated from both financial prevention, appraisal, and failure path. Model is widely used to measure and classify quality costs. Its application involves 5 key steps: gathering data on failures, quantifying the data, charting the results, regularly evaluating performance, and allocating resources to address weak spots. This systematic approach helps organizations continuously improve their quality management processes and reduce hidden costs. Any quality-related costs are hidden beneath the surface, much like an iceberg. Only a small portion of these costs are visible and easily measured, while the majority remain concealed. By identifying and addressing these hidden costs, businesses can significantly reduce their overall expenses and improve operational efficiency. The iceberg model serves as a reminder to look beyond obvious costs when managing quality. Total Quality Management, or TQM, is a comprehensive management approach focused on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Developed by thought leaders like Deming, Juran, and Feidenbaum, TQM integrates all organizational functions to meet customer needs and achieve business objectives. It emphasizes doing things right the first time, eliminating defects, and involving everyone in the organization in quality initiatives. Main objectives of TQM are to eradicate waste, increase efficiency, and ensure that products and services meet or exceed customer expectations. TQM requires a company-wide commitment to quality, involving management, staff, and suppliers. By focusing on continuous improvement and teamwork, organizations can achieve higher customer satisfaction, better performance, and a stronger competitive position. Successful TQM implementation relies on 6 key principles: commitment from top management, a supportive culture, continuous improvement, cooperation among employees, customer focus, and control through documentation and best practices. These 6 C's create an environment where quality becomes everyone's responsibility and continuous improvement is embedded in the organization's culture. W. Edwards Deming, often called the father of quality control, developed a set of Choudhary principles to guide organizations toward quality improvement. His philosophy emphasizes the importance of leadership, continuous training, breaking down barriers between departments, and focusing on process improvement rather than blaming individuals. Deming's ideas have had a profound impact on quality management practices worldwide. Deming also introduced the Plan Do Check Act (PDCA) cycle, a continuous improvement process. The cycle involves planning objectives, implementing action, checking results, and acting on findings to make further improvement. This iterative approach ensures that organizations are always seeking ways to enhance quality and performance. Implementing TQM is a strategic decision that starts with assessing the organization's current reality. It requires strong leadership, a stable foundation, and a willingness to invest in training and process improvement. Management audits can help identify areas needing change. TQM should be introduced when the organization is ready to embrace a culture of quality and continuous improvement. A TQM has many advocates. It has also faced criticism. Some argue that it focuses too much on documentation and quality assurance rather than true improvement. Others believe it can become too internally focused, neglecting customer needs. To address these issues, some experts recommend shifting toward Total Quality Service (TQS), which emphasizes customer orientation and employee empowerment. It's important to distinguish between TQM and Six Sigma. While both aim to improve quality, TQM focuses on process improvement and embedding quality in all activities. Six Sigma, on the other hand, is a data-driven approach that seeks to reduce defects to near zero. Both methodologies have been adopted by world-class organizations to achieve high levels of quality and customer satisfaction. Companies like General Electric and Motorola have demonstrated the power of quality management programs. By implementing Six Sigma and training employees in quality improvement techniques, they achieved dramatic reductions in defects and significant cost saving. These efforts led to higher sales, increased market share, and global recognition. The lesson is clear: prioritizing quality pays off in the long run. Supply chain management (SCM) involves coordinating the entire network of organizations involved in designing, producing, delivering, and servicing products. This includes suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, distributors, and retailers. Effective SCM ensures that customers receive what they want, when and where they want it, at the right price. Deficiencies in the supply chain can hinder competitiveness and customer satisfaction. Global Supply Chain Forum identifies 8 key processes in supply chain management: customer relationship management, supplier relationship management, customer service management, demand management, order fulfillment, manufacturing flow management, product development and commercialization, and returns management. Each process plays a vital role in delivering value to customers and stakeholders. Supply chains can be categorized as push or pull model. In the push model, products are produced based on anticipated demand and pushed to customers. This approach works well when demand can be accurately forecasted and economies of scale are important. In the pull model, production is driven by actual customer demand, allowing for greater customization and responsiveness. Many modern businesses use a combination of both models to optimize efficiency and customer satisfaction. Supply chain features both upstream and downstream flows. Upstream refers to the flow of materials and information from suppliers to the company, while downstream covers the movement of products and information from the company to customers. Managing both flows effectively is essential for maintaining smooth operations and meeting customer expectations. Managing relationships with suppliers is a critical part of upstream supply chain management. Factors such as supplier capability, quality, reliability, cost, and agility all influence the effectiveness of the supply chain. Strategies may involve choosing between single or multiple suppliers, negotiating terms, and leveraging technology for procurement and logistics. Strong supplier relationships can lead to innovation and competitive advantage. E-procurement has revolutionized upstream supply chain management. Electronic sourcing, purchasing, and payment streamline the procurement process, reduce costs, and improve transparency. Features like electronic catalog, automated purchase orders, and detailed reporting make it easier to manage suppliers and inventory. However, reliance on technology also introduces risks, such as system failures that must be managed carefully. Information technology is a powerful source of competitive advantage. It supports cost leadership by reducing inventory and streamlining operations, enables differentiation through unique customer experiences, and facilitates focused strategy by providing detailed customer and market insights. Companies that align their IT strategy with business goals can outperform competitors and adapt quickly to market changes. Downstream supply chain management focuses on transactions with customers. Relationship, marketing, customer service, and brand strategy are key elements. By understanding customer needs and behaviors, companies can tailor their offering, improve retention, and drive sales growth. Effective downstream management ensures that products and services reach customers efficiently and meet their expectations. 6 Markets Model identifies key domains for relationship marketing: internal markets, referral markets, influence markets, recruitment markets, supplier markets, and customer markets. By developing strong relationships in each area, organizations can enhance customer retention, attract new customers, and build a robust network of stakeholders. This holistic approach is essential for long-term success. ERM systems help organizations manage and analyze customer interaction throughout the lifecycle. By compiling data on customer preferences, purchase history, and feedback, companies can personalize their offering and improve service. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and recommend the business to others, making CRM a vital tool for growth and retention. Understanding which customers are most profitable is crucial for effective resource allocation. Customer profitability analysis uses techniques like activity-based costing to measure profit at the customer level, considering all relevant costs. By classifying customers into tiers, companies can focus on retaining and growing relationships with their most valuable clients while minimizing resources spent on unprofitable segments. Customer lifetime value estimates the net profit a company expects to earn from a customer over the entire relationship. By analyzing purchase patterns, loyalty, and retention rates, businesses can identify which customers are worth investing in. Maximizing CLV helps prioritize marketing efforts and ensures long-term profitability. Successful business strategy involves selecting the right customers to target, acquiring them through effective marketing, retaining them with excellent service, and extending the relationship by cross-selling or upselling. Each stage requires tailored approaches, from personalized communication to loyalty programs, ensuring that customers remain engaged and profitable over time. Branding plays a crucial role in differentiating products and attracting customers. A strong brand creates recognition and trust. Service level agreement, SLA, formalize expectations between providers and customers, ensuring consistent service quality. SLA often include performance metrics, rewards, and penalties, fostering transparency and accountability in business relationships. Well-managed supply chain delivers numerous benefits, including reduced inventory, improved productivity, faster order fulfillment, and better financial cycle. It also enhances information visibility, process standardization, and customer responsiveness. These advantages contribute to greater flexibility, global reach, and overall business performance. Classic example of supply chain collaboration is the partnership between Walmart and Procter & Gamble. By integrating their system, they achieved real-time inventory management, automatic replenishment, and significant cost saving. This collaboration allowed both companies to offer lower prices and improve efficiency, demonstrating the power of strategic partnership in supply chain management. Apple's supply chain is renowned for its integration of R&D, marketing, and supply chain management. By involving suppliers early in product development and maintaining close communication, Apple accelerates product launches and manages risk effectively. Their approach includes prepayments to secure materials, centralized warehousing, and efficient distribution, contributing to their impressive inventory turnover and global success. Recent global disruption, such as the pandemic and geopolitical tension, have highlighted the need for resilient supply chain. Companies must be flexible and adaptive, using digital tools to map risk and run stress tests. By identifying vulnerability and developing mitigation strategy, organizations can better withstand both everyday disruption and catastrophic events, ensuring continuity and competitiveness. Gain sharing is a collaborative approach where suppliers and customers share the benefits of cost saving or performance improvement. Instead of fixed payment, suppliers are rewarded based on the value they deliver. This win-win arrangement encourages innovation, transparency, and mutual growth. Both parties must agree on how benefits are measured and shared, aligning their interests for long-term success. Manage costs strategically. Companies may turn to downsizing, outsourcing, or offshoring. Downsizing reduces workforce to cut costs. Outsourcing transfers non-core activities to specialized firms, and offshoring relocate operations to countries with lower expenses. Each approach has its pros and cons, including potential risks related to quality, security, and cultural differences. Careful planning and monitoring are essential for success. Summary: the modern business environment is shaped by rapid change, customer empowerment, and the need for continuous improvement. Managing the cost of quality, implementing TQM, optimizing supply chain, and leveraging technology are all critical for success. By focusing on both financial and non-financial factors, businesses can achieve sustainable growth, resilience, and a strong competitive edge. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through the modern business landscape.